Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to verify Tonkeeper Wallet. In order to verify your Tonkeeper Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log into your Tonkeeper Wallet. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, you could go and press on the gear icon from the top right, and if you go to wallet section, so when you actually create your Tonkeeper Wallet, your wallet is already verified. So in order to add an extra layer of security, you could go to enable a notification, or you could also use a biometric to approve transaction, or you could just go ahead and enable two-factor authentication. So for that, you could go and enable the button, so type in the passcode, and then you could use the biometric at the same time. If not, you could go to the gear icon, and here you would go to security. After that, you could go ahead and click on lock screen, use biometric, all of these, and you'll have successfully enabled two-step verification. So by following the steps, you shall have successfully verified your Tonkeeper Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.